Now I'm going to show you how your customized Facebook application works. So if you don't already have this on your page, please contact me and I can get this set up for you. All I need is a store logo because we do brand it for you, and to be made administrator on your page to install this for you. And so a lot of people don't know that Facebook has apps just like the iPhone has apps, and it can really expand what your customers can do on your Facebook page. So beforehand, all they can do is post and like on your page, but now they can do a lot more. So this is our app right here. Use our 3D Bridal app now, and this is where your other apps will show up. And when you click this, it's going to go straight into your app here. You'll see we put your name at the top. We're always trying to broadcast your name first. That's the most important piece of information. And that's why we call it the Vow, and we don't call it Diodori or Sherry Dory. The Vow is really a house name that's meant for you to take it on as your own, like I was explaining before. So this is really great because they can do all the great same things they can do on the iPhone app right on your Facebook page. They can see the 3D view, they can change the gold color, and these are all the same rings that are featured on the iPhone app. All right. And same thing, I'm not going to go through all the features of the Facebook app, so I recommend to go and play around with it on your own as well. But I just wanted to show you generally how it works. So what we really recommend to get the most out of your Facebook app is to use it to have your customers announce their engagements through Facebook. So you know when a customer, when they buy a ring, they're going to go post it all over Facebook anyways. And I think in a lot of times we are thinking so in the present that we are forgetting about the future and how this happy customer can lead to many future happy customers. And they are more than happy to spread the word about the experience they had in your store in most cases. So it's all about using that for the most that it can. So let's say somebody just purchased this ring. Have them share and announce their engagement on Facebook using your Facebook app. And this is important because it's going to put your name first. You'll see that. It's also going to put a nice image of their ring, and when their friends click on it, they're going to get to see their friend's new ring in 3D. I mean, much better than anything they're ever going to be able to do anywhere else. So, but also the most important thing, when they share this way, it's going to automatically broadcast to all of their Facebook friends. And most people have about 200 Facebook friends that this is going to go to. Very important. So this is the best kind of advertising for you here when this happy customer is announcing their engagement on Facebook. So also you might have to give some kind of incentive for them to do this. Maybe give 10% off the wedding band, or maybe give them a gift card for sharing, and have them do this in the store from a computer, from an iPad in your store. And so then they did it, and you can walk them through these steps. But also if they're not ready to do that yet, maybe they haven't purchased yet, they can share and get people's opinions using the share button. So this can just go to a couple friends or family, maybe before the guy has purchased the ring and he doesn't want it to broadcast all over Facebook yet. So you can have them do this as a private message as well. And they can also get quotes from you through Facebook. So you might start noticing these emails coming through, and it's going to look exactly the same as they do from the iPhone app, and it will have an email address that you can write back to as well, usually the same email address the customer uses to log into Facebook from. I also want to point out the search feature down here. So let's say somebody just purchased a ring. You want to see if it's on here, so you can type in the style number, click search, and it'll go right to that ring for you. And then they can click post, and they can write whatever message. Yay, just got my ring. What do you think? We're engaged. And send that off. And it's that simple. And this is way better than any advertising you can do here. All right, but I want to show you really what's the best thing about the Facebook app is once they use it one time, it's going to save over here in their apps section on their newsfeed page. So anytime they're looking at Facebook, they are going to see your store name on the side of here, and they have only had to use your page one time, and it will save here forever. So it keeps you in their mind in a place they're spending a lot of time. So it's very important just to let them know about your Facebook app, and it can do this for you. And anytime they click on this, it will go right back into your Facebook page.